In this video we're going to work out real life measurements from a scale drawing. So my steps, well, one, I'm going to measure the drawing, and then I'm going to use the scale, and here is the scale here, and then multiply that by the measurement to work out the real length. So first let's measure this house, the scale drawing of the house. The scale drawing is 4 centimeters. So let's just write that down, 4 centimeters, and let's find out its breadth. Turn it around, put it over here. 3 centimeters. So its breadth is 3 centimeters. So that's step 1. Now let's do step 2. So real length equals measurement times scale. So for the length, I'm going to have the measurement, that's 4 centimeters, times the scale. So every centimeter is 3 meters, so I times 4 by 3. So the house is 12 meters long. And the breadth, okay, I get my measurement, this time it's 3. Times the scale, well that's 3, so it is 9 meters. So the house is 12 meters by 9 meters. Second example here, we're to work out how big is this bed in real life. So first, as it says down there, let's measure the bed. So how long is it? Well, it's about 5.5. So L is 5.5 centimeters. Let's measure then its width or its breadth. So that's 2.5, so the breadth is 2.5 centimeters. Okay, let's move the ruler out of the way, don't need that anymore. So my steps are measure the drawing, tick, done that. 2, work out the real length by times the measurement by the scale. So L, measurement's 5.5, then I need to times that by 25, because that's my scale. Put that into my calculator, get 137.5 centimeters. And do the same for breadth, 2.5, that's my measurement, times it by the scale, that's 25. 2.5 times 25 is 62.5 centimeters. So the bed is 137.5 centimeters long, but only 62.5 centimeters wide.